Hello, my name is Nicky Suarez, member ng Front Row. So ito, share ko lang yung kinita ko sa Front Row ng almost isang buwan. Katulad dito, noong May, ito. First week ng May 2, 2014, meron akong 37,800. Tapos after 1 week, May 8, 2014, meron akong 44,550. After 1 week ulit, meron ulit akong May 15, 2014, 37,350. After 1 week ulit, yan, meron ulit akong May 22, 2014, 23,400. After 1 week ulit, yan, pang 5th week, May 29, 2014, meron akong 50,400. So, tumotal ako ng isang buwan ng May, 193,500. So, pang kain. So, pang-cash natin. Tapos may kasama pa siyang cash. Oh my God. Tara.
193,000.